Still vacuuming by hand? This robot does it all and empties itself. Meet the Shark AI Ultra, a smart vacuum that maps your home, avoids obstacles, and even empties its own bin up to 60 days, laser navigation with precise home mapping, self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of debris, powerful suction for carpets and hard floors, works with Alexa or Google Assistant, thousands of 5-star reviews say it's reliable, efficient, and a total game changer for busy homes. Want a cleaner home with zero effort? Tap the link and get yours now. Follow Gadgets Vortex for more smart home upgrades.